Time is money is a proverb that has been around for a very long time, and it represents the concept that those who put in more hours at work would ultimately be more successful. Indeed, for some people, it may have been true. To maximize yields, farmers spent as much time as possible in the fields. Even in this day and age, the most of us still think of a typical workday as beginning at 9 in the morning and ending at 5 in the afternoon, and we define a work week as running from Monday through Friday. Because of a variety of new technology tools, much of today's economy's knowledge-based labor does not have to be done in specific locations or at specific times. An increasing number of businesses are turning to freelancing as a means of recruiting the top employees. Despite this, many companies we work for continue to adhere to the 9-to-5 workday. As such, it is necessary to have passive revenue sources. You must admit that the phrase "making money while you sleep" sounds quite good. The purpose of financial independence is to develop wealth that does not consume your time so that you can enjoy life and accomplish the things that you wish to do. The truth is that creating a passive income stream almost never begins as a completely hands-off endeavor. In order for your passive income ideas to succeed, all you need is a plan of action and a budget for your time and resources. Hi, and welcome back to Fascinating Self. In today's episode, we are going to discuss a number of viable strategies for earning passive income. Let us jump right in. Idea number 1, invest in the markets passively. Most people's retirement savings and brokerage accounts are funded by stock and bond investments on the public market. However, for the typical person like you and me, passively investing through ETFs and low-cost index funds is the best way to achieve long-term success. Building a portfolio of high-dividend stocks is a good place to start if your goal is to generate regular passive income at a rate that is significantly higher than what you can expect from bank accounts. Not to be overlooked is the fact that by their very nature as stocks, high-dividend stocks carry with them the possibility of long-term price appreciation. Dividends and capital gains can both be used to supplement your income in this way. Open an account with one of the brokerages like TD Ameritrade or E-Trade and lower the cost of this operation. These days, the majority of brokerages do not charge trading charges, saving you a ton of money. In addition, you can utilize a robo-advisor if you like. It is about as passive as you can go by letting an algorithm handle your money. Set your risk tolerance. Then sit back and watch the money roll in with robo-advisors like Wealthfront or Betterment. In addition, the costs are far cheaper than those of employing a professional portfolio manager. Robo-advisors make investing and money management more accessible to a wider range of people at a lower cost than has previously been the case with traditional methods. Aside from the fact that it is fantastic for beginners, Betterment can also help you save money by decreasing the taxes you have to pay on your assets. Betterment is not like other robo-advisors in that it gives users the option to communicate with a real person if they so choose. In comparison to Wealthfront, Betterment costs the same fees, but there is no fee waiver on the first $10,000 of your investment. The robo-advisors offered by these two companies are ideal if you want to build a steady stream of passive income. Hey fascinating people! If you like this video, hit the like button and comment "I subscribe" so that everyone can see who's the most fascinating action taker here. Idea number 2, invest in real estate from the comfort of your device. For a long time, real estate has been a means of accumulating wealth. It used to require a lot of time, money, and experience to invest in real estate. However, real estate investing apps have made this asset class more accessible to the general public, making it easier for people like you and me to generate passive income without any effort. Here are our top 3 apps. Fundrise. Fundrise is an REIT specialist or real estate investment trusts. If you reside in a pricey area or do not have the time to maintain a home, REITs are the best option. REITs own and manage properties that bring in money and give the money back to investors. In the past, the minimum investment on Fundrise was $500, but now it is only $10. Realty Mogul. Realty Mogul is a real estate investment crowdsourcing platform that pools investors' cash to buy expensive properties, office buildings, retail space, etc. There is a $5,000 minimum investment required for participation in this scheme. Roofstock. Single-family homes for sale can be found on Roofstock, an online marketplace. In this site, newly renovated properties are available for rent. You don't have to be anxious about trying to fix a rundown house in Detroit. All you have to do is put your money in. You own the property outright after you buy it, and all rental money goes directly to you. Idea number 3, selling digital products. If you have a digital product, you can sell it to someone else for money. It is not a physical item like a t-shirt, automobile, or laptop because it is digital. Music, fonts, Photoshop presets, courses, and online services are all examples of digital items. There are 2 major advantages to selling digital products. First, you can sell to anyone, anywhere. A digital product, in contrast to a physical one, can be sold to anybody with an internet connection. As a result, you will be able to reach a much larger audience than just those in your immediate vicinity. 2, you will be able to sell in your sleep. Hourly fees for coaching and other services might be lucrative, but there are only so many hours in the day. An hourly wage is not enough for a digital product to help your firm grow. You can literally make money while you sleep if you have consumers who are willing to buy your stuff at any time of the day. As a bonus, digital items can be made once and sold over and over again, making them ideal for creatives, bloggers, educators, and freelancers who are searching for passive ways to generate money online that need minimal effort to maintain. Digital products present unique difficulties that you must be aware of. As an example, you are up against free content. Consumers may be able to find alternatives available to what you are selling with digital goods. Think about your target audience, the types of digital products you will be selling, and how you will describe them. In order to compete, you will need to provide high-quality products and understand how to create your brand. Moreover, you are also vulnerable to piracy and theft. Your products need to be protected from these threats by using the correct tools and safeguards. If you use the correct tools while building your digital product business, you can overcome most of these obstacles. Idea number 4, niche lead generation. Wouldn't it be nice to have a business where you do not need a product to sell in order to make a lot of money? Creating and selling new items and services for a profit is the goal of a lead generation firm, which is quite similar to affiliate marketing. Over 30 million small enterprises in the United States alone generate trillions of dollars in sales each year. A seemingly endless supply of options for small company lead-generating businesses to earn commissions exist. B2B clients pay a fee for each lead generated if they fulfill the specified criteria. Getting compensated does not have to wait till your leads buy something. A lead must make a purchase before you can get compensated in other referral models like affiliate sales. To put it another way, there are a plethora of people to whom you could offer sales leads. With the added bonus of being paid for each lead created, lead generation is a lucrative business. With lead generating services, real estate and insurance companies reap the most returns. For lead generation to be successful, you must choose a niche and a location. Choosing a niche or category of products or services is the first stage in the process of starting a business. To put it another way, you need to pick the correct service to provide. As you choose a niche, here are some factors to keep in mind. Is your market knowledge up to date? How much money can your client make from your leads in terms of margins and LTVs or long-term value? How fierce is the competition in the market? And is the market itself oversaturated? Eventually, your marketing assets take care of themselves with minimal effort from your side. Lead-generating companies are ideal for those with a preference for building rather than operating. Idea number 5, create an online course. Making up courses online opens a world of possibilities. By 2025, the e-learning sector is expected to be worth $325 billion. Everyone wants a piece of the pie, and you are no exception. Who doesn't? The market for online education is growing at an explosive rate. Creating a course on anything is possible. You can learn how to boil water, tie a fishing knot, groom a pet, and even how to approach women or men depending on your preference. Teachable.com is an easy-to-use platform for creating and disseminating online courses. If you want to get your material in front of more people, Teachable is a terrific place to start. You will need more than just a little grit and determination to get your online course off the ground. When you are just getting started, use what you already own to save money. Only a computer and an internet connection are required to get started. For the vast majority of individuals, going back to school would be financially impossible. That means that people are already searching for your skills around the clock. Creating a new online course now can make this all possible. And in turn, you can earn a steady flow of passive income. So folks, this is the end of the video. Let us know in the comments if you want us to make more videos like this. Don't forget to like and share this video if you like it. See you in the next video.